Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you with not a guitar lesson but hopefully an information for you which some of you, if not quite a few of you, will hopefully find interesting. I've personally got a Taylor guitar and I expect quite a few of you got Taylor guitars. I came across a Taylor Guitars production setup specification sheet which I thought some of you might find useful, so I decided to share it with you. Okay, and here it is. It does date from 2013, but as far as I know it's a copy of an official Taylor production line setup for their factory setup on their guitars. Okay, various different body shapes. Okay, it goes through the height above the string above on the first fret for all 6 strings, height above the 12th fret for the high E and the low E, the neck relief measurement, and also the neck, how to check your neck angle should you wish to do so. Okay, so it could be used for any guitar, but obviously it's aimed at Taylor's own production guitar series. I will put a link in the description box which takes you to a download link for a PDF file of this piece of paper. Okay, so help yourself. You can view it or download it as you wish. Okay, just to point out, as it's obviously a Taylor piece of paper, in this box here where it mentions the height of the string above the 12th fret, it's got highlighted things like DN, GO, GS, GA and GC. They refer, as far as I'm aware, to the body shape of the various series of guitars. Like DN is Dreadnought shape, GO is Grand Orchestra shape, GS is a Grand Symphony shape, a GA Grand Auditorium, and a GC it will be the Grand Concert shape. Okay, just so you're aware of what that hopefully means. Okay, but go to the download link if you want, if you're interested, and download it or view it. Okay, hopefully that'll help you put your guitars into how they leave the factory as a good starting point if you're playing around with your adjustment. Okay, or just want to check it to see whether it's good or bad against the factory setup. Okay, well, thanks very much. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.